I'm Jasper Vos, the Managing Director of Wienerberger in the Netherlands. I believe in solar because it's convenient, it's relatively easy to install, it has a good yield, so a good performance, and it's very practical to apply. So we have introduced it quite massively at our facilities in the Netherlands. We have chosen Ecorus as a business partner because they've taken the challenge of working with us. And that means that they have to install PV on running plants, on sloping roofs, which is quite a technical challenge, and they've managed that very well. We have done 6 projects together now. The 6th one is currently in execution. And I must say, in the beginning we had to get used a bit to each other, especially because Wienerberger requires quite strict safety guidelines. After the first start, we implemented a collaboration that went very well, so we are very satisfied with that. Well, my biggest work-related life lesson is that you have to persist, and that's also applicable on the energy transition that Ecorus is also part of. It's not always easy to make changes happening, and it requires some perseverance to make it happen. I think the projects that we've done together are a very good example of that. I feel inspired in life when we have a team performance. So at Wienerberger we have a variety of people. We cooperate internationally, we cooperate with different business partners. And I feel inspired when we merge it all together, when we bring it together, and when we make a good team performance. And I think also the cooperation with Ecorus on this point was a very good example of how we managed to do that.